Today we are going to explore something very interesting and a little surprising. The science behind cat attraction from pheromones to behavior explained in a very simple way. If you have ever heard cats making loud noises at night or noticed male cats suddenly appearing around your house, you might have wondered what is really going on. It may look strange, confusing, or even funny, but there is actually a clear scientific reason behind all of this behavior. Cats do not fall in love the way humans do. They do not choose partners based on emotions or feelings. Instead, their actions are controlled by natural instincts and biological signals. These instincts are very powerful and they guide how cats behave, especially when it comes to reproduction. Female cats go through a natural cycle called estrus. This is also known as being in heat. During this time, the female cat becomes ready to mate. This cycle does not happen just once. It can happen multiple times during certain seasons of the year. When a female cat enters this stage, her body starts changing in ways that are not always visible to us. But these changes are very important. She begins to send out signals to let male cats know that she is ready. These signals are part of a natural communication system that cats have used for thousands of years. Even if you cannot see or hear these signals clearly, male cats can easily detect them. This is why male cats may suddenly appear in an area where a female cat is present. It is not a coincidence, it is a response to these hidden signals. In this video, we will break down these signals step by step. We will look at how smell plays a role, how sound helps cats communicate, and how behavior changes. During this time, by the end of this video, you will understand that what looks like strange or random behavior is actually a well-organized, natural process. So let's continue and take a closer look at how these signals really work. Now let us move to the most important part of cat attraction, which is communication. Cats do not use words like humans. Instead, they rely on smell and sound to send and receive information. The strongest signal in this process is smell. When a female cat is in heat, her body releases special chemical signals into the air. These signals are called pheromones. Pheromones are very powerful. Even though humans cannot notice them, cats can detect them very easily. A male cat has a highly developed sense of smell. It is much stronger than ours. Because of this, he can pick up these signals even from a long distance. When the male cat detects these pheromones, his behavior changes immediately. He becomes more alert, more focused, and more active. He may start moving around trying to find where the scent is coming from. You might notice him stopping and sniffing the air again and again. This is because he is trying to follow the scent trail. There is also a special reaction that helps him understand the smell better. It is called the Flamen response. During this reaction, the cat slightly opens his mouth and curls his lips. It may look strange or funny, but it is actually helping the scent reach a special organ inside his mouth. This allows the cat to analyze the pheromones more deeply and confirm that a female is nearby and ready to mate. But smell is not the only way cats communicate during this time. Sound also plays a big role. Female cats make loud, repeated calls. Yeah, that can be heard from far away. These sounds are often stronger and more frequent at night. These calls are not random. They are designed to attract male cats and guide them toward the female. When male cats hear these sounds, they become even more interested. They may respond with their own vocal sounds and start moving in the direction of the call. This combination of smell and sound creates a strong communication system. It helps male and female cats find each other, even if they are far apart. This is why you might suddenly see multiple male cats appearing in one area. They are all responding to the same signals. To us, it may seem chaotic, but for cats, it is a clear and natural form of communication. Now that we understand how cats use smell and sound, the next step is to look at what happens when they finally meet. Now let us look at what happens when male cats finally reach the female. At this point, the situation can become very active and sometimes aggressive. This is because more than one male cat may arrive at the same time. All of them are attracted by the same signals, so now they must compete with each other. Male cats begin to show dominance. They may stare at each other, make loud sounds, and try to scare their rivals away. If neither backs down, this can turn into a fight. These fights are usually quick but intense. They are a way to decide which cat is stronger. The stronger and more dominant male usually gets the chance to stay close to the female. Other males may leave or wait for another opportunity. At the same time, male cats also mark their territory. They do this by spraying strong-smelling urine in different places. This smell is not random. It carries information. Ice about the male cat. It tells other cats that this area is already claimed. It can also signal strength and presence to the female. While all this is happening, the female cat is also showing clear behavior. She may roll on the ground, move around a lot, and become more affectionate than usual. She may rub against objects or even people. One important behavior is when she raises her back and positions her body in a certain way. This is a natural signal that she is ready to mate. These actions are not taught. They are instinctive and happen naturally. After mating, the behavior of both cats may change again. The female may no longer be interested and the male may move away. All of this may seem dramatic or confusing, but it is actually a normal biological process. Cats are not making decisions based on emotions or thoughts like humans. They are following strong natural instincts that help their species continue. So the next time you hear loud cat sounds at night or see unusual behavior, you will understand what is really happening. It is not random. It is science, nature, and instinct all working together. Now that you understand the science behind cat attraction, let us talk about what this means in real life. For many people, this behavior can be surprising or even disturbing, especially when cats make loud noises at night or when many male cats gather in one place. But now you know that this is completely natural. It is part of how cats communicate and reproduce. If you have a pet cat, this knowledge becomes even more important. If your female cat is not spayed, she may go into heat multiple times. During this time, she may become very vocal, restless, and try to go outside. This can actually attract male cats to your home. Male cats may start coming near your house, making noise, and even fighting with each other. If you have a male cat that is not neutered, he may try to escape. He may roam far away searching for a female. This can be dangerous because he could get injured, lost, or involved in fights. Understanding this behavior helps you take better care of your cat. Many pet owners choose to spay or neuter their cats. This can reduce loud behavior, roaming, and aggression. It also helps prevent unwanted kittens. Another important thing is to keep your cat safe indoors during this time. This protects them from fights, injuries, and other risks outside. So while cat attraction may seem wild and chaotic, it is actually a natural process that can be managed with the right knowledge. Now, you not only understand the science behind it, but also, yes, how it affects everyday life. Now that we have covered everything, let us quickly summarize what we have learned. Cats attract each other using a combination of smell, sound, and instinctive behavior. Female cats in heat release powerful pheromones that male cats can detect from far away. They also use loud calls to guide males toward them. Male cats respond with focused behavior and sometimes vocal sounds. They may compete with other males to show strength and dominance. They also mark their territory to communicate presence and attract the female. The female cat shows clear natural signals that she is ready. All of this behavior is guided by instinct and biology, not by conscious thought. Understanding this process helps us see that what looks chaotic or strange is actually a well-organized natural system. It is fascinating how cats use chemistry, yet communication and behavior to find each other. For pet owners, knowing this information is very useful. It can help you manage your cat's behavior and keep them safe. Spaying or neutering can prevent unwanted noise, roaming, and fights. It also helps your cats live healthier and calmer lives. Cats are amazing creatures. Their instincts and communication skills are truly impressive. By understanding the science behind their behavior, we can appreciate them even more.